History presents
Create with Rose Season 3, Episode 3. Buckle up.
Oh!
It's time for Create with Rose. It's going down with a new crew, the Family Edition. Let's see how these historical projects unfold. Create with Rose Bay.
We finished frying up our potatoes. We put the lid on it to steam them a little bit so they're a bit less oily. For our onion in, we salted the potatoes. So Isabella, you're going to help me whisk? There we go. Isabella's going to help us throw the potatoes into the egg. Mix them all together. We cooked the potatoes for about 15-20 minutes, and now we're going to put it back in the pan to finish off. And for our final step, we're just going to throw the mixture all into this pan here. Smooth it out. We've got it on a medium heat, and now we're just going to leave it cook for a little while, and then we're going to flip it over and cook the underside, and we'll be done. So this requires an adult, and we're going to put the plate over it here. Just flip the tortilla.
Hey Isabella, what's coming up next? Oh yeah, stay tuned for more tortilla de patatas. Create with Rose.
This is the quickest way to make the jojo rice. Carol, can you put the water? Wow. Can you smell something good? Eat with chicken or with plantains, beans, peas. You can do it from a pot or rice cooker. From the skillet is my favorite way, but if you're trying to be quick, you can put it in the rice cooker. Make sure that the cube really gets mashed up so all the flavors are in the water. Once I see the colors look like this, then I know we are ready to put the rice. Go ahead, Joe. You can dump all of the rice. Cara, you're like a chef, basically. Bye-bye, rice. And we'll let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or however the rice you chose needs to cook.
Create with Rose.
Pour some flour on a flat surface. Divide the bread in 4 equal parts. Now we're going to put 3 balls in here and start rolling this one out. I'm going to put it on a skillet for 2 minutes on each side. There's no oil or butter needed.
We have melted butter, and then I'm going to put parsley and garlic and then salt.
Stay tuned for Create with Romania with Aaliyah and Mia.
This is the traditional Mexican way to make cochinita pibil.
Create with Mexico. Create with Rogana.
Then you have to take some evaporated milk and pour on the gari so that way gari doesn't absorb. Add some water all over the gari. Stir. You can add peanuts. That's my part. Mix and enjoy. Thank you.
Love is clean and love is pure.
Create with Rose Jamaica.
I'm going to take about a teaspoon of just regular vanilla extracts. And then you mix it all up. Yeah, like some water. And just pour some in there.
Can't wait any.
That's it. All simple. Thank you.
Create with Ro Colombia. Stay tuned for more Create with Ro Colombia. And Nathalia's Measures of Success for Create with Rose Season 3. Create with Ro France and Ireland.
My grandfather's name was Thomas Carroll.
I met my grandfather camping at Windy Acres, and that's where that picture was taken.
This is my grandfather giving Auntie Sandy a wedding.
This is your great-grandmother and great-grandfather. And these are all her sisters.
What's Amy's shocking connection to Ringling Brothers Circus? Gotta stay tuned. Create with Row USA.
Next, we can start grabbing cilantro. Stir it up softly. Yeah. That looks good.
The three cowboys get help from the caring folks at Publix.
Now we're pouring the lime juice. Can I do that? Add a pinch of salt. Now, run a taste test.
And now, my project, The Road to Better Health. Here's a little of my journey to breast cancer recovery. As I look at the beautiful machine colors, I think about LMH providing great opportunities, and I'll dedicate the rest of my life to that. Special thanks to Coach Rod, the LMH Youth, and the Pocket Queen for encouragement and high spirits. And now, the moment you wait for. Uno, dos, tres, go!
Hola Rob, felicidades en tu programa Learn My History Foundation. Pero, ¿qué es lo que viene luego?
Learn My History Foundation's programs benefit youth whatever their advantage, from Create with Row, LMH Children's Network, and Youth and Kid Zones launching in 2023. Thanks to the beautiful families and caring companies we've had the pleasure to work with. Youth face so many challenges. How can you help Learn My History Foundation? We need more youth involvement, mentors, partnerships, guidance to sustain, and your kind tax-deductible donations. Don't forget our annual youth calendar, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on social media. Thanks for your support. Won't you volunteer or donate today? LMH wants to thank these amazing supporters.
Next on Create with Row.
Stay tuned for our season finale. You don't want to miss it.